Okay, hey guys, in this video I'm going to be comparing how a song sounds raw versus through the Beyerdynamic DT990 250 ohm going into a 3DO. So the Beyerdynamic DT990 250 ohm have a warm boomy bass boost, a wide 3 kHz soundstage ear gain scoop, and diffuse field level treble. And after the pads wear in, it dampens the treble spikes that a lot of people complain about, and it ends up having some of the smoothest treble in the world when it comes to headphones. So I want to try to allow you guys to be able to hear that by putting the headphones on top of the 3DO. So, like this. Okay. So that's what we're going to be doing. And if you look at the top left, you can see an audio mixer. I'm going to be switching between microphone audio and desktop audio so you can hear the raw song versus how the Beyerdynamic DT990s sound. So let's get started.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it just. Just like a spark that's breaking out and make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. And just like the sunrise, you know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it just like the sunrise. We gonna let it rain.
So that was a sample of the headphones and kind of a test. So you guys can hear the headphones. I've always kind of wanted to do that. Obviously, the microphones in the 3DO are not perfect. I believe it's a little bit chewed up in the treble, and it actually rolls off a lot of the highs at above 10K and stuff. So you're not getting the exact same experience as listening to the DT990s, but I want you to hear it, just how bright, clear it is, warm, boomy, wide soundstage. If I had some other headphones, I could compare this to it. If anybody wants to donate, I'll buy some headphones, and we can do this all the time. But this was just something that I kind of wanted to do with this thing. I'll see you guys later.